Hi, Liv here. Just want to talk about my fantastic new running belt. It is a SPIbelt. It's absolutely fantastic. So I had to buy a new belt because for shorter runs I then had to carry my inhaler and my keys. So I put it in my back pocket of my shorts and find that my shorts would kind of fall down, which wouldn't have been pretty for runners behind me. So I was chatting to my sister, and she has one to carry her 2 EpiPens with her all day, every day. And she says, just like the company says, it doesn't bounce. I was still a little bit skeptical, but I thought, hey ho, let's order one and try it out. It is nice, soft, adjustable waistband on both sides, and then it holds a pocket in the middle which is fully expandable. How it is made is that is an envelope pocket, so if you've got nothing in it, it lays flat, and then if you pile it in, it's still got plenty of room, so you can have your phone. Just putting that in there. You can have your inhaler, like me, and you can have a key in there as well, which is absolutely fantastic. Do the zip up. Nice and stable. You also have 4 gel loops at the sides, and you can even put some more gels inside, of course, if you didn't have your phone on your inhaler. It is absolutely fantastic. I wear it behind me for some strange reason, but other people seem to wear it at the front, which is absolutely fine. And I wore it for the Yeovil half marathon. I had my number pinned over the top, and it did what it says on the tin. It didn't move. It didn't affect my number didn't fall down, and I didn't realise I was wearing it until I went to reach for gel. For under £20, it is just amazing. You don't feel like you're wearing anything, and you know, it is the best piece of kit you can have if you need to carry anything. You don't have to carry your phone, you can carry just your credit card, and it's fantastic. So I really recommend everyone, if you need to carry something more than just a key in your pocket, get yourself a SPIbelt. Totally awesome, 10 out of 10, definitely one for everyone to get. So I'm Olivia, and enjoy running and eat cake. Cheers!